Spaghetti. This is a long, thin, solid, cylindrical pasta shape that is perhaps the most universally recognized noodle in the world. Originating in southern Italy, specifically around Naples, it was traditionally formed by hand and dried on wooden racks. What sets spaghetti apart is its perfectly balanced surface area to volume ratio, allowing it to hold onto light olive oil or tomato-based sauces without becoming overwhelmed. It matters because it serves as the ultimate comfort food and the foundational pasta shape that introduced Italian cuisine to a global audience. Penne. This is a cylinder-shaped pasta characterized by its angled edges that resemble the tip of a quill pen. Originating in the Campania region of Italy, it was created when a pasta maker invented a machine to cut fresh dough diagonally without crushing it. What makes penne different is its hollow center and optional ridged exterior, known as penne rigate, which act as a perfect trap for thick, chunky sauces. It remains incredibly popular because its sturdy structure holds up well in baked dishes and hearty meat ragus. Macaroni. This is a small, tubular pasta that is typically cut in short lengths and often features a slight curve. It traces its origins back to both Italy and earlier Arabic noodle traditions, but it gained massive cultural traction in North America during the Industrial Revolution. What differentiates macaroni is its highly machine-extrudable shape and its ability to cook very quickly while remaining tender. It is globally popular today largely due to its starring role in macaroni and cheese, making it a staple of convenience and childhood nostalgia. Fusilli. This is a short, thick, corkscrew-shaped pasta designed to catch and hold ingredients within its coils. It originated in southern Italy, where it was traditionally made by pressing and rolling a small rod over strips of pasta to wind them into a spiral shape. What makes fusilli distinct is its complex, helical geometry that maximizes the amount of sauce that can cling to a single piece. It matters in culinary applications because it is the ideal choice for heavy cream sauces, pesto, and cold pasta salads where ingredient dispersion is key. Farfalle. This is a type of pasta commonly known as bowtie pasta due to its distinctive pinch center and flared, scalloped edges. It originated in the 16th century in the Lombardy and Emilia-Romagna regions of northern Italy. What makes farfalle unique is the textural contrast it provides in a single bite, as the pinch center remains slightly firm and al dente while the thinner wings become soft. It is highly popular in lighter dishes, tossing beautifully with fresh vegetables, olive oil, and seafood. Rigatoni. This is a large, tube-shaped pasta characterized by straight-cut ends and deep ridges running down its exterior length. Hailing from central and southern Italy, particularly Rome and Sicily, it has long been a favorite for robust regional cooking. What sets rigatoni apart from other tubular shapes is its wider diameter and lack of a curved or angled cut, allowing it to swallow entire pieces of meat and vegetables. It is prized by chefs and home cooks alike because its wide opening and rigid texture stand up perfectly to thick, heavy sauces. Linguine. This is a long, elliptical pasta that sits somewhere between the flat ribbons of fettuccine and the round strands of spaghetti. It originated in the Liguria region of Italy, an area famous for its proximity to the sea and its abundance of fresh herbs. What differentiates linguine is its flattened shape, which provides a slightly wider surface area than spaghetti while maintaining a delicate profile. It is historically and currently popular as the ultimate pairing for seafood dishes and pesto, clinging to oil-based sauces with ease. Orecchiette. This is a small, dome-shaped pasta that translates to little ears, featuring a slightly thicker edge and a thinner center. It comes from the Puglia region in southern Italy, where artisans have historically shaped it by pressing their thumbs into small discs of dough on a wooden board. What makes orecchiette unique is its cupped structure, which serves as a miniature bowl designed to scoop up small ingredients. It is celebrated for its rustic, chewy texture and its traditional pairing with bitter greens and crumbled sausage. Fettuccine. This is a flat, thick ribbon pasta that is wider than linguine but narrower than pappardelle. It has deep roots in Roman and Tuscan cuisine, where it was traditionally made fresh at home using a simple mixture of egg and flour. What makes fettuccine different is its porous, slightly rough surface when made fresh, which allows thick, dairy-based sauces to bind to it effortlessly. It gained massive international popularity through dishes like fettuccine Alfredo, cementing its status as a canvas for rich, luxurious flavor profiles. Ravioli. This is a type of filled pasta composed of a filling sealed between two layers of thin pasta dough. The exact origins are debated, but it was well documented in 14th century Italian manuscripts from cities like Venice and Rome. What sets ravioli apart is its nature as a dumpling, acting as an enclosed vehicle for cheeses, meats, and pureed vegetables. It matters immensely in culinary traditions because it transforms pasta from a simple carbohydrate base into a complete, self-contained flavor experience. Pappardelle. This is a very broad, flat pasta ribbon that is cut into wide strips, often with slightly fluted edges. It originates from the Tuscany region of Italy, a place renowned for its heavy, game-based cooking. What makes pappardelle distinct is its substantial width and rustic, egg-heavy dough, which gives it a deeply satisfying, hearty chew. It is highly popular during the colder months, serving as the traditional and necessary companion for rich, slow-cooked meat ragus made from wild boar or hare. Orzo. This is a form of shortcut pasta shaped perfectly to resemble a large grain of rice. While it is widely used in Italian cooking, its origins and applications are heavily shared with Greek and broader Mediterranean cuisines. What makes orzo different is its grain-like size, which allows it to be cooked and served similarly to rice, including being boiled in broth or baked into casseroles. It is popular due to its versatility, frequently adding bulk and a comforting texture to soups, salads, and stuffed vegetable dishes.